DAJA V1 Machine Unpacking Installation Tutorial. Unpack the V1. Instructions. Colored paper. V1 laser engraving machine body. Take out the laser engraving machine. Remove the plastic packaging. Open the shield, take out the foam. Be careful with the accessories inside. Cut the tape. Diode laser. Computer cables. Material packs. Power cord. Goggles. Diode laser installation tutorial. Open the shield. Handle the machine gently. Pick up the diode laser. DAJA laser slider. Align the slider on the machine. Push it up. Tighten the red knob in place. Plug in the cable of the laser head. Replace the Lenfred laser. Handle the machine gently. Firstly, remove the diode laser. Loosen the red knobs. Unplug the cable. Remove the DAJA laser. Infrared laser. Insert the infrared laser into the slider. Insert interface for infrared laser. Tighten the red knob. Straighten the laser engraver. Laser head fixed focus tutorial. Let's take a piece of metal. Lay down at the engraving. Lower the prime column. Place the red knob loose. Twist tightly when touching the carving. That's the right focus. Collapse the focal column. Plug it in. Place the plank in the carving area. Lower the prime column. The red knob is loose. Tighten after touching the object. Collapse the focus. Turn on the power switch. Take out the manual. Open the English version of the mobile app download. Scan the code with your phone. Click download. Click open. That's it.